In this video, I will show you 5 cute and super easy room decors. I really hope you like these DIYs. Hey guys, today we will be making some really easy room decors. Hope you're feeling crafty and let's get started. First, I will show you how to make this cute pillow. You will need a plain pillow cover, a hot glue gun or fabric glue, felt fabric of white, black and light pink color, scissors and a pencil. Take the black colored one and draw 2 circles and a mouth like this. Take white one and draw 2 smaller circles. Then take the light pink one and draw 2 ovals. Cut all these shapes. Put these shapes on the pillow first. Once you get your desired look, glue them. And you are done. I really love this pillow. I mean, just look at it. It looks so cute. Next, I will show you how you can decorate your walls with this colorful paper garland. You will need strips of paper. I'm using quilling strips in rainbow colors. You'll also need glue and a string. Take 4 equal sized strips and glue them like this. Like so. Take both ends of a strip and glue them together. Continue doing this with all the strips. Now we need to make some more. You can use a single color or maybe a combination of 2-3 colors. It totally depends on your room. Once you have enough paper balls, you can start attaching them to the string. I have 3 ways to show you. Number 1 is to put the end of the string in one of these holes and pull it out from the opposite side. Do the same again to ensure that it stays in its place. Number 2 is to put the end and pull it out from the opposite side and secure it in its place by a knot. Number 3 is to simply use a hot glue gun. I'm going with the third one. Here comes the last one. And we are done. I really like this one because it's so simple yet it looks so adorable. I have another idea for decorating plain walls. This one's really easy. You will need black sheets of paper, pencil, scissors, double-sided tape, and ruler. Choose your favorite code and start by drawing letters. You can print letters like I did. This way they will have same size. Once you are done, you can cut these letters out. You can put motivation quotes and you will surely feel motivated whenever you see this. That's why I really love this one. To stick them to the wall, I'm using tape. If you're using tape, just make sure to use the tape several times on a cloth or your skin first to make it less sticky so you don't ruin the page while removing it. Don't wish for it, work for it. Seems right. A lot of times I forget the work I have to complete until it pops in my head at night. This DIY will surely help me a lot. For the base, I'm taking a cardboard sheet covered with white sheet. I have printed this thing out. You can write this if you want. Now you need to stick sticky notes first. And this. Here are all the measurements. Pause the video to see it even more carefully. Now take a fine liner and draw lines around each square. This way you will know the exact position after removing a note and you don't have to measure everything again. You can write your work like I did, or you can make each note for each day of a week from Monday to Saturday. Sundays are free anyways, or you can complete the remaining work from the above days. Either way, you will remember what to do. How about some desk organizers? These are super easy to make. You need 3 square paper sheets. Take one of the sheet and fold it along the diagonal to get a triangle. Fold like so, but only press at the top. We need this just for guiding. Fold this side upwards. Keep the corner on the guiding line so it's in the middle. Fold the right triangle downwards like so. Do the same on the left side. Unfold hold them for now. Take the other two sheets and do the same. You can use a single color unlike mine. There are tons of pattern paper available, so you got tons of choices. Even if the back of the paper is blank, you can still use it. To attach them together, put this side in the fold of the first one. See? They fit perfectly. Do the same with the third one and attach the last two remaining sides the same way. Take a piece of paper and cut it in a triangle. Glue it at the back. Glue the inside triangles too. You can also put a triangle inside if you want, like this. But once you put stuff in it, you can barely see what's in the background. You can put washi tapes, cloth pins, rhinestones and stuff like that. Super easy and useful. I hope this video helped you. Tell me in the comments below which DIY was your favorite and hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!